All right, we got the start of the second half coming up. Score is 12-0. Raiders lead it. Rebels have first possession. They deferred to the second half, so they get the ball first here in the second half. Yeah, looks like they're going around the left-hand side. Showing next one. Ooh.
Fumble on the play.
Bad pitch there, looks like.
Recovered by the Rebels.
Loss of about 8 yards on the play. And they hand it off around the left end. Oh, tackle.
You better pull something out of somewhere.
And looks like a quarterback keeper around the left-hand side. Cole Johnson keeping the ball. He's met at the line of scrimmage. It looks like he picks up about 2 yards on the play.
Number 23, Cole Johnson on the carry. Tackled by number 63, PJ King Jr.
Raiders line up. Snap. Oh, Lordy. Right up the middle. He breaks the tackle. Looks like he's going all the way. Pursued. And he's getting further and further away. Touchdown for the Raiders.
Number 54, DeMarcus Burris on the carry. Touchdown Raiders.
DeMarcus Burris right up the middle on the first play for the Hoover Raiders. In the second half, scores a touchdown. And the Raiders try for the extra point. Looks like a handoff around the left end.
Number 4,
tackled by a host of Rebels.
Tackled by number 5, Grant McLean.
Grant McLean was the first one to get there. I saw his dad coaching him at halftime to make the lock up on those tackles, and looks like he took his dad's advice. Tackled by number 5, Grant McLean. And handoff up the middle. Looks like number 4, Eli Sawyer. He's still pounding it out. He pounds out 5 yards there on the game. And hard run by Eli Sawyer picks up 5 for the Rebels up the middle.
Number 4, Eli Sawyer on the carry. Tackled by a swarm of Raiders defense.
And he hands it off again. Sawyer with a second carry, not able to make a gain. It looks like he just got through the line of scrimmage. He was picked up by a host of Rebels, or Raiders.
Number 4, Eli Sawyer on the carry. Tackled by a swarm of Raiders.
And Shawnee Mack around the left end. He's turning on the speed. He could go all the way. He could go all the way. He's being pursued. Shawnee Mack. Shawnee Mack. Shawnee Mack. Touchdown, Shawnee Mack Smythe.
42 on the carry, Sean Smith for a touchdown.
Shawnee Mack turns it
Touchdown
around the
Rebels.
left end and takes it all the way for a touchdown. 6 points for the Rebels.
See y'all sitting there. I was screaming up there. I've been looking for 10 minutes.
And handoff. Oh, just didn't have time. A little bit of a late
Number
connection
15
there
on
for the
carry,
handoff.
Jerison Cherry.
Garrison
Tackled
Cherry
by
on the
Nicholas
carry, number
Foster,
15.
Number 69.
Not able to gain, not able to get the extra point. And just under 6 minutes into the second quarter, the Rebels finally on the board. Correction, under the third quarter, second half. The Rebels on the board with 6 points. Score now 18-6. And Raiders step up to the line of scrimmage, 1st and 10. And right up the middle, but the Rebels defense, they're holding
69 on
a
the
short
carry,
gain of
Nicholas
about
Foster.
5 yards on the first down for the Raiders.
Tackled by two Rebels.
And handoff around the right-hand side. In pursuit, number 4, Eli Sawyer makes
Number
a tackle.
4, Cooper Tulo on the carry. Tackled by number 4, Eli Sawyer.
Eli Sawyer there. Nice pursuit for the middle linebacker. Good angle of pursuit. Holds him to a gain of maybe 1 or 2. Brings up 3rd down and about 3. Hand off up the middle again.
Number 69, Nicholas Foster on the carry. Tackled by number 5, Grant McLean.
Number 5, Grant McLean,
And number 15,
17,
Garrison
Sam Herndon on the
Cherry.
tackle. And penetration there, who we got? Number 18, Ben Murphy with the penetration and the tackle. That brings up 2nd down and about 13. Ben Murphy for a tackle on the play for a loss of about 3 yards. Nice penetration by Ben Murphy to make the tackle and make the play.
Right down there on the ground. You see the red?
Fumble on the carry.
Fumble on the play. Recovered by the Hoover Raiders.
Looks like the Raiders recovered their own fumble and maybe picked up a yard on the play. That brings up 3rd and 11 for the Raiders.
What?
Hey, we were planning on like setting a blanket out in front of our car, and then Lee wanted to come here to eat because we usually get a snack.
And that's the end of the third quarter. Score is
Hoover
6 to
Raiders
18.
Vestavia Rebels 6.
End of the third quarter. Score is 18 to 6. Rebels trailing the Hoover Raiders 18 to 6.